In the previous video, I opened my fall art journal for the first time this fall. And now I have this idea that I would make some whimsical decorated pumpkins. And I would like to decorate my art journal pages with them. And let's use these watercolors that Paul Rubens sent me a little while back. I am so excited to try these. I am Mari from Taiga Journals. Welcome to my channel. Let's start with opening these lovely watercolors. I love this package. It is so colorful. This looks lovely. Actually, I have the same set in the smaller size, and I am really excited to see all these colors that are in here. And there is a lot. This is lovely. Okay, I will unwrap these and then let's continue. Okay, now I have tried out the colors and made the color palette. And my first impressions are that this color collection is amazing for fall. Look at all these yellows and reds and these blues and greens. These are perfect for forest colors and the lake. And I am so happy to make the whimsical pumpkins with these colors. Such a joy. And then there came these 4 extra pans, which are already included in the color set. And I can use these when the previous ones are already used. And I love this feature in this watercolor set that you can lift the pan palette up. And then there is a lot of room to mix the colors in this palette. But yes, let's do some pumpkins, and thank you Paul Rubens for sending me this lovely watercolor set. I'm really excited about this. And if you want to go and check out this set, there is a link in the description box below. Yes, but now let's do some pumpkins. Let's start with the pumpkin drawing. I will draw 9 different pumpkins, so 3 per row. And let's start with the pumpkin shape. Approximately how you want the pumpkin to be. And you just make the shape, and then you do the stem. Like so. Then you start to draw the sections of the pumpkin. When the sketch is about ready, then you can make the precise lines of the pumpkin. There is the first pumpkin. And then again, what shape do you want the pumpkin to be? And this I will make a bit different shape. Like so. And then the stem. And then the same thing. And then in the end you can erase all the lines that you don't want there to be. Like here is a mess. And then the third, once again the shape and the stem. And for this one I will not do the parts of the pumpkin. This will be a whole pumpkin. Like so. And then let's fill the paper with different kind of pumpkins. Okay, now the sketching part is done, and these are the pumpkins that I want to make now. And I will draw these same pumpkins to this Lightwish watercolor book that Paul Rubens sent me previously, because it is nice to try the watercolors to a good quality paper. Okay, but I will draw the pumpkins and then let's start the coloring. Okay, now the pumpkins are dry. And I really had so much fun with these watercolors, and I love these shades. These are so beautiful. I am a beginner with watercolors, so I am not very good at this. But this was fun, and that's the most important thing. I think this is a very nice palette for beginners. I really enjoyed painting with this. And also, of course, for more experienced painters also. This pumpkin looks like it exploded a bit. But it doesn't matter. We will do some magic to it. As I said, I am not the greatest watercolor painter. But yes, now I will use some colored pencils to make some effects for the pumpkins. And next we will add some decorations. Okay, the little pumpkins are done. And next I will be cutting them off the paper. Now the pumpkins are ready. And I am so happy that I have this many pumpkins to use in my fall art journal. And if you want to color these yourself or use these ready-made pumpkins, this set is for sale now on my Etsy shop with the Blanco version and with these colored versions. Thank you, Paul Rubens, for sending me this amazing watercolor set, and I will be having a lot of fun this fall. This is a really nice set for fall art journalings and watercoloring. Watercolor paintings. But yes, there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out more about this lovely product. But now, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.